Hey guys, what's up? MiataMods here. The spring has arrived, the temperature is going up, the sun is shining, so it's time to remove the hardtop. Now I only need a hardtop stand so I can store my hardtop properly. So let's see what I can find. Alright guys, here we go. Hardtop stand. That one. That's a bit much. Let's try another one. This one. On this one. What the f? Yeah, I'm obviously not going to pay that kind of money for a hardtop stand, so I decided to build one myself out of PVC. I can't take credit for the design as it has been built before, but I made a few improvements. It's a very simple design and it only cost me about 30 bucks in total, so you can really save some money by building this hardtop stand yourself. To cut the PVC you can use a hacksaw, but you need to cut a lot of pieces. So try getting one of these. This is a PVC cutter and they come in different sizes. They make it a lot easier to cut PVC. Let me show you. The first step is to open the cutter. Get a piece of PVC and hold it between the blades. Push one of the blades down and then start squeezing. After you squeezed a couple of times, the cut is made. Pretty fast, huh? If you do plan on cutting the PVC with a hacksaw, you can use a hose clamp as a cutting guide. That way you will have a nice straight cut. These are the parts that you're going to need. 2 sections of 127 centimeters of PVC, 2 sections of 122 centimeters of PVC, 2 sections of 64 centimeters of PVC, 2 sections of 30 centimeters of PVC, 14 sections of 5 centimeters of PVC, 10 PVC T-fittings, 4 PVC elbow fittings, 6 PVC caps, PVC glue and padding. The small PVC pieces you use to connect the fittings together can differ in size. Get 2 fittings and check the length between them. That's how long the connecting pieces need to be. The PVC pipes I've used have a diameter of about 4 centimeters, but it doesn't have to be that specific size. I wouldn't recommend going any smaller, but bigger is definitely better and stronger. Now it's time to assemble the hardtop stand. I would recommend to dry fit everything first, just to make sure everything fits correctly. I already did that, so I'm going to glue the pieces together. Alright guys, that's it. So, let's try it with the hardtop. Perfect! Well guys, this is the end result. I've added some padding on the bottom to protect the hardtop edge because it's really fragile. And the hardtop leans against the structure, so it's really sturdy. And what you can do is add some bungee cord here and here to further secure it to the hardtop stand, and you can really move the hardtop stand and it's really sturdy. So very happy with the result. Now, as I said earlier, I've made some improvements to the design. Let's say winter is coming and you want to mount your hardtop again. Then you're left with this big piece of PVC. So what I would suggest is not putting any glue here, there and there. That way you can disassemble the hardtop stand and store it somewhere. Not using any glue can be risky, so I've come up with the following solution. When your hardtop stand is assembled, draw a line from here to here. Get your drill with a long drill bit and drill a hole through the fitting and the pipe at each connection point. Insert a long bolt and secure it with a nut. This way you can secure the PVC pieces together, but still have the option to disassemble the hardtop mount whenever you want. The line I've drawn here will help you line up the pieces correctly when you assemble the hardtop stand. My second improvement to the design is adding a small wheel in every corner, so it's easy to move the hardtop stand. And that's how you build your own dismountable, movable hardtop stand. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. The tools and parts you'll need for this job are in the video description, as well as my social media links. If you haven't subscribed already, click on the MiataMods logo below and don't forget to turn on notifications. For more MiataMods videos, click here. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!